Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna learn how to drink water from a bottle if you have like this. So first, shake it up like it depends on your life. And after that, you could do. A stupid would do this, but I am not a stupid. So I'm gonna drink it like a normal human being. Open it like this. Make sure it's open, and close it and do. Okay, let's actually open it. It's really hard to do this game. So you have to kind of do that. Hold your water over here and sip from it. And there you go. And make sure to keep it in the kitchen, or else your mother might do kung fu if you don't put it in the right